Okay. So Mr. Satya, make x the subject of each formula. So for example, see, very simply what it means is the equation is y is equal to 5x minus k. Now I want to do something so that it becomes x is equal to something. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now how I do this is I'll require some, I'll require basically some good practice in algebra. What I'll do is y is equal to 5x minus k. Now I bring this k to this side. I write is y plus k is equal to 5x. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Then I bring this 5x is equal to 5 y plus k. Yeah, Arman.
The question is actually y equals to 5x plus k.
Okay, plus k, plus k.
So then over there also y minus k.
Oh. So this will be 5x is equal to y minus k. Okay. Arman, is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
So this will be y minus k and this will be y minus k. Satya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now I want the formula to look something like this, that x is equal to this. Now what I can do is I can take this y and divide the right hand side by 5. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you make x the subject of each formula. Mr. Aryaman, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So y minus k upon 5, this would be your correct option. A would be the correct option. Mr. Aryaman, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So now y is equal to, again, these are difficult questions. If you have good practice in algebra, then try to do these. Otherwise, you'll have a bit difficult time. So y is equal to x by 3 minus 2ab. Now this formula should look something like this, that x is equal to something. How should I do this? Again, x upon 3 is equal to y plus 2ab. Arman, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now this 3 should be multiplied by the right hand side of the, left hand side of the equation. So my answer would be x is equal to 3 into y plus 2ab. Mr. Aryaman, have you understood?
Yes.
So y plus 2ab, this b would be the right answer. Mr. Aryaman.
Yes.
Again, y is equal to g plus x upon k. Yk is equal to g plus x.
Yes, sir.
X would be yk minus g. Therefore, x is equal to yk minus g. So my answer would be
A.
A. D. Y is equal to 3x upon 2 minus 5. So y plus 5p is equal to 3x upon 2. So 3x is equal to twice of y plus 5p. Mr. Aryaman, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, this 3 will also have to come. So this will be 2 by 3 y plus 5p. So my answer would be C part. Sharman, have you understood?
Yes.
Because this can also be written as, if you are getting confused, this can also be written as 2 into y plus 5p whole upon 3 is equal to x. So now this is the obvious answer. Arman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now you need to make p the subject. Let us take a part. P plus 8 is equal to 3n. N is equal to p plus 8 whole upon 3. Therefore, n is equal to p plus 8 upon 3. Arman, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Q is equal to n by 7 plus k. So q minus k is equal to n upon 7.
Yes.
7 into q minus k is equal to n.
Equals to n.
Therefore, n is equal to 7 into q minus k is the final answer. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
P is equal to R plus N upon 2W. So P into 2W is equal to R plus N. 2WP is equal to R plus N. Therefore, N is equal to 2WP minus R. Any doubt?
No.
no, sir.
H is equal to 5n minus 2 upon R square. HR square is equal to 5n minus 2. 5n is equal to HR square plus 2. Therefore, N is equal to 1. So, actually, I'll write this as therefore N is equal to
HR square plus 2 divided by 5.
These are confusing questions. I think next time what we'll do is I'll send you a worksheet. Of course, you can do this. The deadline can be Sunday. So I'll send you a worksheet which will have a lot of such questions. You can try to do this, and in one of the maybe classes next week, we'll try to do these kind of questions again. Mr. Satya.
So can you
Okay.
give us a worksheet now so we'll practice before
Okay,
the
you
exam?
want the worksheet now? Okay.
Yeah,
I'll send,
and then you correct it and then tell us
absolutely,
what's wrong.
absolutely okay. I'll send you the worksheet, and I'll try to upload these videos also in the next maybe half an hour or so. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you can
So
practice.
we'll send the answers by the end of the night.
Yeah, that is absolutely fine. That is absolutely fine. You can send me the worksheet that I'm sending. You can send the answers by Sunday. Not an issue.
Okay,
I'll send the worksheet, and I'll send the answers of the worksheet also, so you can check whether you are doing the questions right or not. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.